Hello, my name is Aida Kawasmi. I would like to welcome you and walk you through ABLE Interpersonal Studies Spring 2021 Open House. Our classroom philosophy is to strive for progress, not perfection. I encourage students to do their best because our ultimate goal in the classroom is to help students grow and learn lifelong skills that will lead them to being successful adults. I would like to share a little bit about myself with you. I'm Miss Kawasmi and known as Miss K. I'm a wife, a mother of four, an educator, and a proud maverick. I have a Bachelor of Arts in Sociology from the University of Texas at Arlington. This is my 14th year of teaching, and I consider myself a lifelong learner. I truly care about the well-being and success of my students, and try to guide them and do the best I can. Arlington High School honor calls owning learning together. For student expectation, a student must attend all synchronous Zoom time with their cameras on. They must ask for help immediately if needed, and students must check Canvas, email, and Teams daily to know their assignments, grades, and important announcement. Here I have attached my Zoom build schedule for sequence learning. In my class, we have interactive learning activities such as my Bitmoji classroom. It is a visual page in Canvas where students can navigate their classwork, assignments, and important announcements. It is important for the scholars to log into each Canvas course that day to receive attendance credit. As a teacher, we are expected to make standardized Canvas courses for respond to students and parents and to provide a weekly progress report. Parents are expected to check daily with their child, check Teams grades weekly, and to reach out to teachers about concerns for their child right away. You can find all this information on our website, aisd.net Arlington High School. In my classroom, I strive to teach my students social, emotional, and life skills using creative activities. Always, my door is open to help students with any stress or personal worries. ABLE Interpersonal Studies Work Overview. Sequence students must complete independent assignment in Canvas. Sequence time, students live teacher lessons. The students is still responsible for content even if they miss the Zoom. Assignments are due at midnight, 11:59, or at the due date. Contact information about me. You can reach me anytime. You can reach me via email. My email is akawasmi@aisd.net, or you can reach me on my phone. It's 682-232-4255. Thank you for watching my presentation.